So as a machinist, you'll be purchasing material to make those components. And when you do, how can you be assured that you're getting what you believe you've paid for? Well, today, Gio and myself are here at Interco. You'll recognise that name as they're the proud sponsors of our Swarf and Chip show. But we've had a real education here today, and it's partly to do with exactly what I've said, the certification. What do they do here at Interco, Gio?
Well, not only do they supply the steels, the special steels and alloys, they add value to the steels and alloys. And in regards to traceability and certification, in a day and age where it's absolutely imperative and critical that the materials do come with that certification, it can be traced back right to the mill, right to the foundry from where it is melted, all the way until it arrives at the customer's facility. They'll part mark each individual billet after they've sawn it off for you with the material spec, the diameter and its unique reference code. So everything about this business here, Interco Special Steels and Alloys, is all about quality, traceability and giving that and passing that on to the customers.
It's so important in critical industries and critical parts when you're dealing with materials of this value to make sure you're getting exactly what you pay your money for, to ensure that the end part that your customer purchases is as good as it could be. And you're guaranteed that here from Interco.